Hi, I'm DevRow and welcome to my now weekly devlog. There was a lot of rework this week and we brought you a few bugs to show first. Okay Bob, let's just... What are you doing? No, just pick up the tool. Pick up the tool, Bob. Bob, pick up the tool. A little bit more motivation, please. That's too much motivation. Now you're mocking me. Okay, let's just go on. I need to figure out how to do transitions. Got an idea? Who shows shrimps? Yeah, they're watching the shrimp video. What did you want to show me? What do you mean duplication? No, you can't just duplicate them. That's impossible. They're human beings. Kind of. Oh my god, Bob, stop! No! What a lovely garden. And visit at the HR department. Anyway, so what we did this week, me and Bob, was fixing most of the AI stuff. The AI is the core of the gameplay here. And there's still some bugs to iron out. But it's like hurting a bunch of children, so eventually we're gonna figure that out. Now make him work. Thank you. So they can now gather the resources and put them in a certain place if you pick them up and set them down again. So they know this is now their drop-off point, which he will demonstrate now. Seems to be heavy. And they both can do that. Well, they both. Yeah, that means you'd grab the other one. Oh, please. The people are watching. No. Do it. So yeah, they can also be woodcutters, as you see. And here also it works by just placing them somewhere else. Okay, Bob. We gotta talk about what just happened there. I also started on some different stuff when I got frustrated with AI, as it happens. So what is new? There's not much new I can show you, because most of the time I was reworking. What is new is the modules that I now added. You can pick them up, you can carry them around, and you can drop them. If you later in the game will arrange them in the right order, they will spawn a building. It can be a house or a production building, which we will introduce later. I hope to get the AI done as soon as possible because it's the backbone of the project. Then we can go on other features like the building system. If we have the AI, then we are a big step ahead in the whole project because it is the core mechanic number one. So that's it for this week. I hope you can live with the weekly devlogs. It actually just took 1 hour more to make this long one than one of the short ones took. So that was the right call. And I want to thank the person who told me to do a weekly one. You know who you are. Thank you very much. So I will be back in a week and hopefully I can show you a little bit more. And I catch you all next time. Bye bye.